Hmm. Fn is less than equal to Gn. So it is also upper bound. That means big O, it is satisfying the big O notation. Fn is less than or equal to Gn. This is Gn. So it is also a upper bound. But you can see n square, n square. That means Fn is equal to Gn. Both are same. Fn and Gn both are same. So it is tighter upper bound. Means it is upper bound, but it is tighter upper bound. Very close. Now here you will see n square n raised to 4. It is not tighter because uh, Gn is much greater than Fn, n square. Here is n square and here is n raised
Audible.
to 4. So Gn is much greater than Fn. So we can say that it is not tighter upper bond. It is loose upper bond, loosely coupled upper bond. Loose, ठीक है, loose bonding is there between Fn and Gn. Upper bond is there, but loose upper bond is there and not tighter upper bond. Here it is tighter upper bond because the value of Fn and Gn is uh, it is greater. Means we will assume this as a upper bond. That means it is greater by adding some constant. By multiplying some constant, it is
Sir,
greater.
you are not clearly audible to us.
Hello.
Sir,
Now
sir,
you.
you are not clearly audible to us.
So it may be some
Sir, no,
problem.
sir, we can't hear you properly.
Hello.
Yes, sir, you must have network problem, sir.
It might be there.
Yes, sir, you must have network problem.
It might be there.
Yes, sir, please
Hello.
check the network. Yes, sir.
Now you can hear.
Yes, sir, now we can hear, but in
Some
between the voice gets
some problem might be there. Okay,
Yes, sir, please check the Wi-Fi.
now I'm saying that now you can hear now.
Yes, sir, we can hear.
I'm saying that it is tightly upper bound because both value are same, and it is loosely upper bound because Fn value is much smaller than Gn value. So this is not tighter upper bound, and this is not tighter upper bound because the Gn value is much greater than Fn value. Now here you will see in case of big O notation, I am representing this equation A is equal to big O B. That means B is a upper bound. That means Gn. This one. That means B is a upper bound, but may be tight or may not be tight. That means this may be tight or may not be tight in case of big O notation. It is showing the upper bound means it is giving the burst case, but burst case may be tighter one or not tighter one. Now in this case, if you will talk about small o notation, if you will talk about small o notation, this topic clear I have to teach you. Now I am saying n square is equal to o n square. It is tighter or not tighter? Hello, hello.
Sir, it's tighter, sir.
It is tighter now. Fn is equal to gn. And here, if you will
Yes,
see, it
sir.
is tighter or not tighter? It is not
No, sir,
tighter.
not tighter because
Not
Gn
tighter.
is greater
It
than.
is also not tighter. If I will talk about small o, see in Go notation, whether it is tighter or not tighter, in both the case, it is satisfying. But in case of small o notation, if I will see, it must be here. You will see here B. That means Gn. Here B not tighter upward. That means in case of small o notation, this condition is false. That means it must not be tighter upper bound. This condition is true. क्लियर है इक्वल वाला नहीं होगा दैट मीन्स वी वर सेइंग fn is less than equal to gn in case of big O notation, but in case of small O notation, fn is less than equal to gn, not equal to gn. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now I'm showing the example for this one. Now I'm showing the example. Now here you can see Fn is equal to OGN. That means we will see Fn is equal to OGN if limit, in this case we will see Fn is equal to small o notation Gn if limit n tends to infinite, Fn by Gn is equal to 0. Then if this condition meet, then only we can see Fn is small o notation to Gn. Here this condition is given to us in our example. Fn is equal to n, Gn is equal to n square. Now I have to find out whether it is satisfying the condition of small o notation or not. Now here I will see n. n by means fn by gn, limit n tends to infinite, limit n tends to infinite. Our fn is n, so fn is n, so I have kept here n, and gn is n squared, so I have kept here gn n squared. Now I cut this, n से n kata, so remaining is 1 by n. Now I have opened the limit. Now instead of n I have kept here infinite, so 1 by infinite is equal to 0. 1 by infinite is equal to 0. So our condition is being satisfied. That means now we can say that this one complexity, if now we can say that it is satisfying the complexity of small O notation. That means it can fall. देखो big O notation में तो fall होगा ही होगा. That means fn उसकी condition होती है fn is less than equal to cgn, लेकिन इसकी condition fn is less than cgn. तो दैट मीन दैट के ये कंडीशन स्मॉल ओ नोटेशन का फॉलो कर रहा है. देखो एवरी स्मॉल ओ नोटेशन इज आल्सो ए बिग ओ नोटेशन, बट एवरी बिग ओ नोटेशन इज नॉट स्मॉल ओ नोटेशन, बिकॉज इक्वल वाली कंडीशन बिग ओ नोटेशन में होती है, बट इन स्मॉल नोटेशन इट इज नॉट देयर. क्लियर है ये वाला एग्जांपल? हेलो हेलो,
Yes, sir.
क्लियर है ना? तो इट इज फॉलोइंग, अगर ये क्वेश्चन दिया है, it is satisfying the complexity for the small O notation.
Yes, sir.
Now I will talk about omega notation. In case of omega notation, that means in omega notation क्या होता था? Fn is greater than equal to Cgn. So in this case n square title lower bond है. That means lower bond होता था. तो n square ओमेगा एन स्क्वायर, तो इट इज टाइटर है या लूजर है? टाइटर लोअर बॉन्ड है, टाइटर है. इन दिस केस एन स्क्वायर एन, यहाँ पे एफ एन एन स्क्वायर और जी एन एन, तो नॉट टाइटर अप लोअर बॉन्ड है, क्योंकि ये टाइटर नहीं है, क्योंकि स्मॉलर तो है मतलब लोअर बॉन्ड है. जी एन लोअर इज ए लोअर बॉन्ड बट नॉट टाइटर वन, इट इज नॉट टाइटर लोअर बॉन्ड. हियर एन स्क्वायर, हियर वन, तो वन इज ऑलवेज स्मॉलर देन एन स्क्वायर, तो यहाँ लोअर तो है बट इट इज नॉट टाइटर लोअर बॉन्ड. तो in case of omega notation, if we are talking a is equal to omega b, that means b is lower bond, but b may be tighter lower bond or not tighter lower bond. But in case of, if I will talk about, in case of, if I will talk about small omega notation, if I will talk about case of small omega notation, you will see Fn is greater than Cgn but not equal to Cgn. That means n square omega n square, that is not valid in case of uh, small omega notation, because it is tighter lower bond. But n square n, it is not title lower bond, you can see this. So in this condition you will see a is equal to omega small omega b, that is here b not, in case of small omega notation, here gn, that means b gn, here gn is not title lower bond. You can see here example, uh, how you can find out that whether it is satisfying the condition of small omega notation or not. Fn is equal to omega gn, small omega gn, if limit n tends to infinite, fn by gn is equal to infinite. Now here is case given to us. This example is given to us. Fn is equal to 3n, gn is equal to 2n. Now I will keep in this equation, in this condition, to check the whether it is satisfying the condition of small omega notation or not. So limit n tends to infinite, our fn value is 3n and gn value is 2n. So 3 by 2 raised to n, that means common n I have taken, and 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5, and I have opened the limit n tends to infinite, so instead of n I got the infinite, so 1.5 infinite is equal to infinite, I got the answer. That means it is satisfying the condition of small omega notation. Now, if I will see this one, n square log n. So, in the same I have kept here limit n tends to infinite, limit n tends to infinite, fn by gn. So, fn is here what is fn over here? Fn is n square and gn is log n. Now I have opened the limit of n. So instead of n, I have kept infinite, and instead of n, I have again kept infinite. So this became infinite. Log infinite is also infinite. So according to hospitality rule, there is one rule that 2n. There is one rule that we have applied the log, so it became 2n upon 1 by n. So we can see this complexity will become log n. This will but if you will solve this problem, you will get infinite. So according to hospitality rule, this condition you will get the infinite. And now we can check this is satisfied. That means uh, our complexity is, we have got this complexity. It is satisfying our condition. So you can see that it is a small omega notation. But in case of theta notation, if I will check, it is not a small theta. Actually, theta is not small or big. Theta is theta notation. So in case of theta notation, it doesn't matter it is tighter bond or upper bond. Here B, that means Gn. Gn is both tighter bond and not tighter upper bond. That means Gn can be tighter bond or not tighter upper bond. Now if I will say here, some examples are there. If I will talk about n and n squared, so which type of, that means fn is n and gn is n squared. So ये big O notation होगा, omega notation होगा, theta notation होगा. Big notation it will be, या small o होगा, या small omega होगा, या big O. हेलो,
सर बिगो
big O होगा because gn is n square and it is, मतलब वो तो होगा, अपर बॉन्ड तो है ही है. दैट मीन gn we have calculated that is greater than n. fn is much smaller than, is smaller than equal to gn. Then we can say that it is big O notation. Now if I will talk about this, n squared बड़ा होता है, 2n बड़ा होता है? हेलो, n स्क्वायर बड़ा होता है या 2n बड़ा होता है?
n squared sir.
n स्क्वायर बड़ा होता है.
स्क्वायर
क्लियर हो? फॉर ग्रेटर, देखो बन के लिए, इफ यू, अभी मैं बता दूंगा इसे. नाउ यू रिमेंबर दैट 2n इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन, मतलब फॉर सर्टेन वैल्यू ऑफ n, 2n इज ग्रेटर देन n स्क्वायर. ठीक है, फॉर सर्टेन वैल्यू ऑफ n, मतलब फॉर n नॉट, सर्टेन n नॉट वैल्यू, 2n is always greater than n square. So it is also big O notation because gn is greater than this one. इस कंडीशन में देख लो विच इज ग्रेटर. देखो n की वैल्यू 1 है, 2 है, 3 है, 4 है, 5 है. n स्क्वायर मतलब 1 स्क्वायर 1, 2 स्क्वायर 4, 3 स्क्वायर 9, 4 स्क्वायर 16, 5 स्क्वायर 25, 6 स्क्वायर 36, 7 स्क्वायर 49. हियर आई विल चेक 2n. तो 2n तो मतलब 2 रेस टू 1 2, 2 रेस टू 2 4, 3 रेस टू 2 रेस टू 3 8, 2 रेस टू 4 16, 2 रेस टू 5 32, 2 रेस टू 6 64, 2 रेस टू 7 128. तो हियर यू विल सी, टिल हियर कभी ये बड़ा हो रहा था, कभी ये बड़ा हो रहा था. ठीक है, इन दिस केस इट वाज बिगर, in this case it was bigger, in this case both were equal, and in this case this was bigger. From here on, that means it is n not value. From here on, this 2n is much greater than n square. That means 2n is much greater than n square. So we are checking higher value of n, मतलब बड़ी वैल्यू के लिए देखते हैं कौन सा बड़ा है. तो एन नॉट की वैल्यू क्रिटिकल पॉइंट होता है, ब्रेक थ्रू पॉइंट होता है, जहां से वो इक्वल या बड़ा होना स्टार्ट हो जाए. क्लियर है? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
सर
Yes, sir.
तो यहाँ पे चार्ट दिया गया है. इट इज ग्रोथ ऑफ फंक्शन. यू हैव इन डाटा स्ट्रक्चर, आई थिंक सो, यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड रेट ऑफ ग्रोथ ऑफ फंक्शन. rate of growth of function. That means which function is growing faster. That means पहले log 2n होता है. Time is going to over now. First log 2n, after that rise करता है n, इसके बाद बड़ा होता है n log 2n, after that बड़ा होता है n square, after that बड़ा होता है n cube, after that सबसे बड़ा होता है इसका से 2n. क्लियर है? हेलो,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
क्लियर है ना ये? तो from next now I'm going to stop the recording.